50,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
Our so-called leaders prostituted us to the West, destroyed our culture, our economies, our honor.
U.S. Marines stationed on high alert were given the order to invade the small
Nikolai! Foreman check! The crews are at Terry!
Just as they lay waste to our country, we shall lay waste to theirs.
You think this will stop the bloodshed?
Вы все равно скоро сдохнете.
We need to take him alive.
Al-Assad would never sacrifice himself. There is a safe house in Azerbaijan that Al-Assad has used in the past. I am sending you the coordinates.
Understood, Nikolai. Gaz, assemble the team. We're going to Azerbaijan.
Yes, sir. I hear it's lovely this time of the year.
There's Kamarov's man. Let's go.
Al-Assad is in the village. The ultra-nationalists are protecting him.
Perfect. Move out. What the hell's going on up there?
It's the ultra-nationalists. They're killing the villagers.
Yeah, well, not for long, they're not.
Американцы делают попутку! Северо-восток! Открыть огонь по вражеским солдатам! Враг без прикрытия! Вражеские войска уйдут в укрытию! Откройте вражеские войска! Северо-восток! Прикрывающий огонь! Открытый враг! Открытые мишени! Откройте вражеские войска! Северо-восток! Открытый враг! Открыть огонь за этим парнем! Осторожно! Бросаю гранату! Двигайтесь! Гранат!
So, calling air support on that building.
Открытые мишени! Эй, идиоты, ловите! Гуляй! У нас вражок человек! Как надо укрыть!
Building clear. No sign of Al-Assad. Move on.
Наша мощня! Перезаряжаю! У меня пусто! Перезаряжаю!
Use our air support to soften up that building.
Two-5 here. We are on the way. Stand by for air support.
clear. Move on to the next one.
Российские войска идут к открытию к юго-востоку.
Five here. We are ready to attack and are standing by for new orders.
It's clear. Move on to the next one.
Контакты выходят из укрытия!
Five here. We are ready to attack and are standing by for new orders. The helicopter is on the way. We'll handle it. Out.
Делают попытку к юго-востоку! Американцы
building's clear. Let's check the other buildings.
Five here. We are ready to attack and are standing by for new orders.
Открыть огонь за этим парнем!
This is 2-5. We have the target. Stand by.
clear. Let's check the next one.
Убей его огнёву!
Here. We are on the way. Stand by for air support.
Стройся! Контакты выходят из укрытия! Граната на подходе! Лучшая граната! Верните! Человек сражен!
Building clear. No sign of Al-Assad. Move on.
Here. We are ready to attack and are standing by for new orders.
Контакты выходят из укрытия! Вражеские войска идут в открытие! Западу от нас!
Helicopter is on the way. We'll handle it. Out.
Ей мое оружие пусто! Перезаряжаю!
We have to refuel and rearm. We will not be available for some time.
У нас сражен! Стекайтесь!
Remember, we want Al-Assad alive. He's no good to us dead. Let's go.
Why'd you do it? Where did you get the bomb? Who then? I need a look. Who? Give me a name. A name. I want his name.
Sir, it's his cell phone. Who was that, sir?
Zakhaev. Imran Zakhaev.
I was just a lieutenant back then, doing some wet work. Chernobyl, Christmas for the bad guys. Even a decade later, a lot of them still used it to get their hands on nuclear material. A lot of them, including one, Imran Zakhaev. Of course, we couldn't just let that happen. Cash for spent fuel rods. That's one hell of a recipe for destruction. It was the first time our government had authorized an assassination order since the Second World War. I was under the command of Captain Macmillan.
Too much radiation. We'll have to go around. Follow me and keep low. Careful. There's pockets of radiation all over this area. If you absorb too much, you're a dead man. Stand by. Contact. Enemy patrol dead ahead. Stay low and move slowly. Will be impossible to spot in our ghillie suits.
Мы не бродим, мы патрулируем здесь его. Зачем патрулировать? Здесь никого нет на 120.
Take one out when the other's not looking.
Слушай, Захаев платит нам хорошие деньги, чтобы патрулировать эту территорию. Если ты бы знал, что для тебя хорошо, ты бы забыл.
He's down. Good night. Move. Hold up. There's more cover if we go around. Four tangos inside. Don't even think about it. Wait there. Tango by the car. Take him out quietly, or just let him pass. Your call.
Нет шанса перестрелки. Кто сюда приедет? Это ядерная зона бедствия. Здесь скорее умрешь от рака, чем от пули.
He's going back inside. Okay. Go. Move up. Don't move. We've got a lookout in the church tower, and the patrol coming from the north. Let's move up for a better view. Do you have a shot on the lookout? Beautiful. Target approaching from the north. Take him out quietly, or just let him pass. Your call. Tango down. Go. Forward area clear. Coast is clear. You hear that? Enemy helicopter! Get down! Stay in the shadows. Let's go. Get down, now. Easy, lad. There's too many of them. Let them go. Keep a low profile and hold your fire. Try to anticipate their paths. If you have to maneuver, do it slow and steady. No quick movements. Let's move. Nice. Slow. Follow me. Looks like they've already eliminated the men they couldn't buy out. Let's move up for a better view. Taking them out without alerting the rest isn't going to be easy. But then again, neither is sneaking past them. Your call. Target eliminated. Top them. Don't fire on the two by the lorry. We'll have to take him out at the same time. Wait for me to get into position. I'm in position. Take the shot when you're ready. Good night. Move up. Stay in the shadows.
Никто не видел, здесь бегают дикие собаки. Я слышал,
Stay
украинцы вчера
back.
ночью потеряли пару своих возле плавательного комплекса.
Эти украинские наемники такие
Stay low.
некомпетентные.
He's mine.
Они получили, что заслужили. Любой из боевым
Ой, Сьюзи.
птицам убил бы тех собак
That's
без
how it's done.
проблем.
Let's go.
Бронятся делать это собак с сумасшедшими силами.
Hold up. Wait
Ты
here.
оцениваешь, товарищ. Какая ставка?
Да, когда я получу
Forward
денег за
area
эту
clear.
работу,
Go.
куплю мотоцикл и буду ездить по этому району. Думаешь, американцы начнут войну с нами, пока мы слабы? Эта страна катится вниз к развалу. Все возможно.
Stay hidden. Move up. This way. Let's go. That's a bloody convention out there. Get ready to move on my signal. Stay right behind me. Hold. Okay. Go. Let's go. There's a truck coming. We'll use it as cover. Keep moving. Just wait here a moment. When they leave, crawl out and stay low. Patience. Don't do anything stupid. Stand by. Stand by. Go. Ready? Go. Hold fast. No one saw us. Let's keep moving. This way. Don't move. Sniper. Fire escape. 4th floor. Dead ahead. Take him out, or he'll give away our position. Beautiful. Move out. Go. Area clear. Don't let your guard down. We're not there yet. Stop. Leave it alone. It's a wild dog. Pooch doesn't look too friendly. Keep your distance. No need to attract unnecessary attention. Clear right. Go. Forward area clear. Move up. Look at this place. 50,000 people used to live in the city. Now it's a ghost town. Never seen anything like it. Move. This way. Let's go. There's the hotel. We should be able to observe the exchange from the top floor up there. Let's move. Lieutenant Price, the meeting is underway. Enemy transport sighted entering the target area. The wind's getting a bit choppy. You can compensate for it, or you can wait it out. But he might leave before it dies down. That's your call. Remember what I taught you. Keep in mind variable humidity and wind speed along the bullet's flight path. At this distance, you'll also have to take the Coriolis effect into account. Okay, I think I see him. Wait for my mark. Target acquired. I have a positive ID on Imran Zakhaev. Steady. Keep an eye on that flag. Watch for any change in wind speed and direction. Where did he come from? Patience, laddie. Wait for a clear shot. Target down. I think I saw his arm fly off. Nice work, Lieutenant. We got him. Shut that onto us. Take out that helicopter. He'll buy us some time. Great shot, Lieutenant. Now let's go. They'll be searching for us. It's time to move! We'll have to take a shortcut. Follow my lead. Lieutenant Price, follow me. Delta 2-4, this is Alpha 6. We have been compromised. I repeat, we have been compromised. Now heading to extraction point 4.
Alpha 6, Big Bird is en route. ETA 20 minutes. Don't be late. We're tracking out fuel as it is. Out.
Got another. Stand by. Quick, plant the claymore by the door up ahead. Door behind us! Incoming helicopter! Snipe the bastard! Nice! Shoot the helicopter! We'll take it down together! Nice! Shoot the helicopter! We'll take it down together! Night, you bastard! My leg's all messed up. I can't move. Sorry, mate. You're gonna have to carry me. If we run into trouble, you'll have to find a good spot to put me down so I can cover you. The extraction point is to the southwest. We can still make it if we hurry. Tango's moving in. Find a spot where I can cover you and put me down. Hostiles closing from the west. Looks like we're in the clear. We should get moving. Got one! Got another. Hostiles closing to the west. Tango down. Looks like we're in the clear. We should get moving. Head for that apartment. We'll try to lose him in there. We're almost there. The extraction point is on the other side of that building. Got one!
Alpha 6, this is Big Bird. Standing by for your signal, over.
Our helicopter is standing by to safe distance. Put me down behind the Ferris wheel where I can provide sniper support. This'll be fine. Easy does it. Take the rest of my claymores. Now's the time to use them. The enemy is bound to enter this area, so find a good sniping position. I'll signal the helicopter in 30 seconds. All right, lad. I've activated the beacon. Good luck.
Alpha 6, we have a fix on your position. Hang tight. Big Bird out.
Tango's in sight. Let them get closer. Stand by to engage. Open fire. Got him. Target neutralized. He's down. Tango down. Got him. Tango down. Enemy choppers inbound! Target neutralized. Down. Big Bird, we are heavily outnumbered. Where are you?
Copy that, Alpha. We'll be there ASAP. Hold tight.
Got one. Got him. Tango down. He's down. Got another. Tango down. Target neutralized. Got one! He's down. Tango down. Got one!
Alpha team, this is Big Bird. Get your ass on board, over.
ETA on the chopper's at least half an hour, Captain Price.
No good. We'll be corpses for 10 minutes by then. Every ultra-nationalist psycho in Zakhaev's pocket is about to show up on our doorstep, coming to claim all Assad.
Or what's left of him.
Right. We'll set charges along phase line Alpha on the southern hill. And more along phase line Bravo. We'll delay them all the way back to the top and hold our ground at the extraction point in the fields around the farm. Any questions?
Let's do this.
Ignore that load of bollocks. Their counterattack is imminent. Spread out and cover the southern approach. Sir, they're slowly coming up the hill. Just say when. Do it. Kaboom. Target down. Nice shot, mate. Got him. Squad, hold your ground. They think we're a larger force than we really are. Target eliminated. Copy. Target eliminated. They're putting up smoke screens. You see anything? Not much movement on the road. They might be moving to our west. They're targeting our position with mortars. It's time to fall back. Right, so, get to the minigun and cover the western flank. Go. 2, falling back. 3, on the move. 3 here. 2's in the far eastern building. We've got the eastern road locked down. So, keep the minigun spooled up. Firing bursts. Goodbye. The rest of us will keep them busy from the next defensive line. Everyone move! So, we're falling back to the next baseline! Let's go, let's go! You've got to get left behind! So, use the detonators! There's 4 of them in the tavern! Move! We have enemy tanks approaching from the north. Bloody hell, I'm hit. Mac's in trouble. So, get to the barn at the northern end of the village and stop those tanks. Use the javelin in the barn. Fall back to the farm at the top of the hill. Let's go, now. Fall back! Fall back! So, the javelin's in the barn. Move, move! So, the javelin's in the barn! Move! Move! Bravo 6, this is Falcon 1, standing by to provide close air support, over.
Bravo 6, this is Griffin 2-7. We've just crossed into Azerbaijani airspace. ETA is 4 minutes. Be ready for pickup.
Target confirmed. Stand by for airstrike.
Bravo 6, the LD is too hot. We cannot land at the farm. I repeat, we cannot land at the farm. We're picking up SAM sites all over these mountains.
Oh, that's just great! Now where are they gonna land now?
Bravo 6, we're getting a lot of enemy radar signatures. We'll try to land closer to the bottom of the hill to avoid a lockdown, over.
Oh, God, we're taking a piss! We've just busted our asses to get to the LZ, and now they want us to go all the way back down! Forget it, guys! We've got to get to the new LZ at the bottom of the hill, now! So, take point, go!
Bravo 6, be advised. We're gonna come in low from the south across the river. Recommend you haul ass to LZ Foxtrot at the base of the hill. Out.
Copy 2-7. Everyone, head for the landing zone. It's our last stop. Move! We've got to get to the landing zone! Roger, stand by for airstrike.
We got 2 minutes, over.
Copy that. We're on our way. We've got to break through their lines to reach the LZ. Keep pushing downhill. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's get down the hill. Target confirmed. Stand by for airstrike.
90 seconds to dust off.
Roger, stand by for airstrike.
All right, we're all aboard. Go, go! Okay, we're out of here. Next place is Mission 27. We got him and we're coming home. Out.
We got that bastard.
Still, he's not the one responsible for killing your Marines. Sorry, mate.
Imran's a curve, huh? Man's a ghost. Intel says he's gone underground.
Well, I got a plan to find him.
I'm listening. Daddy's boy.
Zakhaev's son, commander of the ultra-nationalist forces in the field. Rotten apple doesn't fall far from the tree. The loyalist Kamarov has got a location on the kid.
And the little punk'll know how to find Zakhaev.
The sins of our fathers.
Ain't it a bitch?